What's up? I'm Elliot.
And I'm Ben.
And this is Splitcoaststampers.
Woohoo, yeah! It seems very glittery. Ooh,
Okay,
there's water.
first we have a container with water
and Mixative
and
silver ink.
Silver ink.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So, you shake it
shake
violently.
it aggressively so the devil flies out of it.
So now that the devil's out of the ink, we put some drops in the water. Ooh.
Interesting.
Wow,
It makes a snowflake kind of
slow-mo.
design. Yeah.
Can we get that again?
And a second one.
Ooh. I am satisfied thoroughly right now.
And then you take your card and you dip it in, kind of like hydro dipping.
It is hydro dipping.
Like hydro dipping, because that's what it is. And you shake off the excess.
Yep.
And wait for.
You just show it off for a little bit. Do a little shimmy, a shake.
Shimmy.
Shimmy, a shake.
Yeah.
Now you can't see it, but this woman is a very talented, beautiful mother of 4.
Yeah, 4 people. Think
4
about that.
people. One of them's in college, but she's not that old.
And then you take your other paper, and then you also dip it in the water.
You do the same thing, but with a different color of paper.
And flip, and then you put in gold.
Ooh.
I don't know why, but you do.
For the shine.
And silver. And then you put the silver in the gold.
You can't see it, but his face is very surprised right now.
What a twist. And then you put in the shiny paper. And you put it in. And wow, look at that. Just like my mother. Beautiful.
So
and
now...
you put in the navy blue.
Navy blue.
Ooh, the gold and the blue and the silver.
Reminds you of stars a bit.
Really, and then you put in red.
Red, not like...
And blue.
And blue, like
Just
3D glasses.
Just like America.
So, oh, and white paper. It is America.
America.
America?
So, 4th of July, that's like in, 3 months? I don't know.
2-ish.
I don't
When
know.
this comes out, too.
I don't know. And then you do it again.
Yeah. Looks like
this time
an egg.
Better?
Oh, an egg. I called it. Way to go.
This is for Easter.
Easter, yeah.
Easter project.
This is a fun activity you can do with your kids.
As long as they don't drink it.
Yeah, tell them not to drink it. It's dangerous.
Yes. That's a warning. Don't do it.
Yeah. We are experts right now.
Experts.
Experts. Yeah. Isn't this exciting?
Shut up. And then you dip your other paper that's already been dipped in the blue.
Extraordinary.
So it looks like this. And you take brown.
Brown and gold. What an interesting combination. You know, brown is
the color of tea.
Tea. And
gold is the color of
amazing stuff. I don't know.
Copper.
No, that's copper.
Oh.
Copper's the color of copper.
Oh, so it's gold.
Yeah, it's gold.
And you dip in your paper.
Yep. And this
is what it looks like.
It's gorgeous, like our mother. She's so nice. You should check out her blog.
And then you put in stamps.
Decorate as you will.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, thank you. As you can see, there's an infinite amount of possibilities. Thank you for watching
Splitcoaststampers.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye.
Adios.
It stopped. How do we stop? It stopped. I'm scared. We're just gonna keep going. Ah!